Here I have MICROMAX Bolt Q346, and let me show you how to insert here the micro SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, keep holding power, choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Then let's open the back cover by using the cavity in that corner. Let's do it step by step, and now you've got access to your battery. So let's remove the battery by using the following cavity, and here you can insert the micro SD with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put it right here into the end, and let me also insert micro SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. Put the micro SIM card in that slot, and as you can see, this is the dual SIM version, so you can also insert here the regular SIM card, but let me leave this slot empty. Let's put back the battery, close the back cover protection, and simply switch on the device. The MICROMAX Bolt is turning on. Let's wait a few seconds. And now you can unlock the screen and start using your memory card and SIM card. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.